Can you believe it? With just 49 videos, a YouTube channel has managed to earn over $15,000 per month through AdSense alone. That's the equivalent of 2 months of salary for a full-time employee working from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. But that's just the beginning. Not only has this channel managed to attract over 1 million subscribers, but these 49 videos have completely transformed the lives of many people, from complete bankruptcy to achieving wealth and financial independence. And that's not just one example. Check out another example. Another video with 1.6 million views is now earning over $30,000 per month, and that's just from videos that can be easily created with AI. Yes, you heard that right. Voiceover, scripting, image, and video creation. It can all be done with the help of advanced AI tools. In this video, I'm going to show you all the steps to this golden opportunity step by step, and most importantly, how to save time and money by using powerful AI tools to create content that actually grows. And here's a special tip. At the end of this video, I'll share with you a secret and very effective method, one that most of these successful channels aren't using yet, and that could multiply your growth. It's time to take action instead of watching. Let's get started. First, log into ChatGPT. Then, take a screenshot of the YouTube channel page you're interested in. This could be a channel whose content you like or a style you'd like to emulate. Then, upload the screenshot to ChatGPT and write, "I want to create videos like this channel. Please create 25 visual prompts for me." In a few moments, ChatGPT will prepare 25 precise and professional AI-powered visual prompts for you based on the style and atmosphere of that channel. These prompts are designed so that you can create eye-catching visuals that match your video content without any graphic design knowledge. As you can see, creating high-quality content no longer requires complex skills. You just need to know what tools to use and how to use them correctly. Now enter the Pollo AI site. The link is in the video description. Pollo AI is an all-in-one platform for creating and editing videos and images using artificial intelligence. Text to video, just enter a prompt. And Pollo AI's advanced models like Pollo 1.6, Verso, and Kling turn it into high-quality video. Photo to animation. Upload a photo, set the style in motion, and turn it into a stunning video. Video to video styling, add anime, Pixar, pop art, and other styles to your existing videos. Text to image and editing tools. Create images with AI or enhance your photos using GPT-4o, Imagen, and more. Pro editing, face swap, upscale, remove noise, animate images, all in one place. Fast, powerful, and simple, free to start, affordable plans. Great for content creators, marketers, designers, and businesses. This platform gives me everything I need without juggling multiple subscriptions. Try it now. Link in the description. Sign up and bring your ideas to life with AI. Now that you have completed the registration, as you can see, in the AI video section of this site, 2 main features are available to you: image to video. Convert still images to dynamic video, text to video. Create a video by entering text only. Also, in the AI image section, you have the following tools at your disposal. Text to image. Convert text to a high-quality image. Image to image. Create a new image based on the original image with a different style or details. The Tools and Effects section also contains a set of auxiliary tools, including the following. Video tools. Tools for editing or advanced video settings. Image tools, practical tools for correcting, improving, or changing the appearance of images. Video effects, various effects to add visual effects to videos. Photo effects, special effects for images to increase visual appeal. This site is one of the most complete and high-quality platforms I have ever used. The outputs it produces are not only of high quality in terms of image and sound, but also the processing speed and variety of its tools are remarkable. If you are looking to create professional videos using artificial intelligence, this site is undoubtedly one of the best options. At this point, just click on the Create New option. After that, you will be faced with 2 different modes. Easy mode, suitable for people who want to create a video quickly and without complications. Canvas mode, suitable for those who need more control over the details. We are working with Canvas mode here, so select it. In this section, you can specify the type of video. For example, I select the text to video option so that by entering only a text, the video of my choice will be created. Then we come to the model section where you can select your desired AI model to create the video. There are various templates available here, including different Pollo templates, Google VO, 3 templates, Pixverse templates, Kling templates, and also other templates like Hailuo, Pika, LUMA, VidIQ, etc. Each of these templates has its own style and can be selected depending on your needs. Now it's time to enter the text or prompt. Just copy the prompt that you have previously prepared with the help of ChatGPT and paste it in this section. Next, you need to select the video resolution. The available options are 480p, 720p, 1080p. Then, in the video length section, you specify the duration of the video. There are usually two main options: 5 seconds, 10 seconds, next. In the aspect ratio section, you can choose the video aspect ratio according to your needs. For example, 16:9 for YouTube, or 9:16 for shorts and reels. Finally, in the output video number section, you determine how many videos your output will contain, 1 or 4. Once all the settings are done, just click the Create button. Now the system will start processing and prepare your video in just a few moments. Now that your video has been successfully created, it's time to make it more professional and engaging by using additional tools. At this stage, you have a wide variety of features that you can easily use, including sound effects. Add various sound effects to increase the attractiveness of the video upscale. Increase the quality and clarity of the video suitable for viewing on larger screens video to video. Convert the original video to a new version by changing the style or effect lip sync. Synchronize the lips of the characters in the video with your desired voice to create natural dialogue. In addition to these, features such as the following are also available in other sections. Adding custom texts to the video. Using the brush tool to create visual effects or markup on the image. The ability to directly download the video with the desired quality. And dozens of other tools that allow you to create a professional, customized, and unique video. With this complete set of tools, this platform is one of the most powerful options for creating video content with artificial intelligence. You can create videos that rival professional productions with just a few clicks, without any special technical knowledge. Now, you can create all the videos you want in this way, fast, easy, and with very high quality. Pollo AI is without a doubt one of the best platforms I have ever worked with. With its simple interface, diverse tools, and professional outputs, this site has made the process of creating video content with AI an enjoyable and powerful task. For your convenience, the direct link to this site is included in the description section. I recommend that you definitely use it and start creating your first professional video today. Now it's time to get into the video editing program. At this point, import the videos you created using Pollo.ai into your video editing software. First, choose the video size, resolution, that suits the platform you're going to publish it on. For example, 16:9 for YouTube, or 9:16 for networks like TikTok and Instagram. Then adjust each video in its appropriate place so that the final composition looks cohesive, fluid, and professional. This step has a huge impact on the overall appeal of the video. Next, you can add various visual effects to enhance the final quality of your work. Smart use of transitions, lighting effects, and color changes will make your video look more professional. Now it's time to add the narrator's voice. If you've already recorded the audio or generated it with artificial intelligence, add it to the video and do the synchronization. Next, you can also apply background music and other audio settings to your liking to complete the feel of your video. In order not to make the video too long, I have only given a quick and concise overview of the video editing process in this tutorial. Finally, once you have completed all the steps, export the final video and upload it to YouTube and other social networks. By continuing this process, you can reach a monthly income of thousands of dollars in a short period of time and take a big step towards financial independence. And now, let's watch the final video together.
What if everything just stopped? No explosion, no final scream, no dramatic collapse. Just silence. Time, as we know it, continuing to stretch until it frays apart, until even the concept of before and after becomes meaningless. This isn't fiction. It's the most probable ending of all things predicted not by poets or prophets, but by physics. Because in the grand timeline of the cosmos, everything we know, stars, galaxies, even light itself, is just a temporary flare in an ocean of darkness. But what happens after that flare goes out? Tonight, we travel to the end of energy, the end of motion, the end of time. Time is strange. It's not something you can touch or hold, yet it carries us, unrelenting, from moment to moment. To physicists, time is not a river, but a dimension, just like space. Einstein showed us that time is woven into the very fabric of the universe, part of a four-dimensional stage called space-time. And on that stage, everything plays out. Stars are born, galaxies drift, civilizations rise and fall. But time is not constant. It stretches, it bends, it slows near massive objects, it races in the void. Time, as we feel it, is just our experience of entropy of things moving from order to chaos. And that brings us to a universal law, one that silently governs everything. The universe began around 13.8 billion years ago in a moment we call the Big Bang. From a singular point, space itself expanded, carrying with it all matter, all energy, and time itself.